Welcome to another unboxing, my friends. Today I'm checking out this glass olive oil bottle with brush. It's a 2-in-1 oil dispenser. Bottle, silicone dropper. All right, what do we got here? Okay, there's that. And then there's that. All right, well, does it come off of there? Does, okay. So it's got this little silicone pump there and has these little bristles, but they're all silicone. Silicone, okay. And in here we have, this unscrews. Okay, so we put your oil in there. Has a little straw so you can suck up the oil with this. And sometimes if you're putting, like if you're pouring it on, it can be kind of messy. It always seems to, we had ours in like one of those little honey bear jars, and you pour it out and it always get on the edge. So you'd always have to clean it. So this was ordered to try to eliminate that. So if you want your oil, you can just use a suction here and pull it up into there and then dispense it with this. Brush it on or whatever, and then that'll go right back on here and you won't have a mess at all. So no, hopefully potentially no oil drip, but I'm going to go try this out right now and we will find out. Okay, so we're just going to add some olive oil to this. Whoa, lid just jumped off of there. And pour that in there. Right, not sure. There we go. Now, if we want our olive oil out of there, we simply draw it up in there using the little suction here. Okay. And then that holds it in there so there's not really any mess. And then we could either squirt it on there, see, just like that. Pretty cool, and just spread it on there. So that's kind of cool. Also, when if you have like, I'll show you the container that we had before. So this little honey bear, we used to have honey in there, but you'd put your oil on, for cooking surfaces, and then you couldn't really, just kind of make like a puddle and just little streams. So it would be difficult then you'd have to like spread it around physically. So this little guy right here, you can just pull in the olive oil. Look at that, just bringing it in. Whoop. And then you're ready to go. And you can just, if you have a griddle or something, you just spread it on there. Silicone's good as far as like heat, not melting at high heats. I think it's like 500 degrees or hotter that it's going to have issues with. So you could literally put this right on your grill and then like squeeze oil on while you're spreading it around. So this one, before we do that, and inevitably the oil would always get on the top, it'd run down the side, and you'd have a mess in your cupboard if you're trying to put that back. As you can see with this one, it's got this nice lip around here, and that's not going to be an issue any longer. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. See you next time.